Thank you, Roger. So last not least, I hope I can keep you entertained for the next and last 10 minutes of project presentations. My name is Joana Correia, and I'm here representing our company, Nanoinspire, and I'll talk to you about our first product, Skin Healer. We developed this product to solve the problem of chronic wounds. These are wounds that do not heal for 6 weeks generally, and they are associated to impaired blood circulation, which is a common feature of diabetes, cardiovascular diseases, and it often shows up in also patients that are bedbound. Of course, this type of wounds are associated with major problems, such as constant pain and impaired mobility, that then leads to frequent treatments in hospitals, and it really increases the probability of developing an infection or increases the risk of amputations, ultimately maybe leading to death. I have a personal feeling about this because my grandmother, she suffers from this type of wounds since her 40s, and with 77 years old, she has now 2 non-healing chronic wounds for more than 1 year. So it's quite a pain for her and also for us, of course, and it's a motivation for me. So there are 15 million chronic wound patients worldwide, and this number is expected to increase by 24% in the next 4 years. I should emphasize here that standard care does not heal 70% of these wounds, and this is the problem that we are addressing. Standard care is just cleaning the wound, changing the dressing regularly, and debridement of the wound, of the dead tissue of the wound, and so our Skin Healer product is developed to address this problem. In the past, we have registered the patent to use umbilical cord blood stem cells for the treatment of chronic wounds. Back then, it was an absolute very nice achievement, but since then we have found out that these stem cells tend to die in the harsh environment of the wound. Not only in this type of application, but also in several transplantation applications, stem cells have this limitation. So we took this technology further, and we have identified the active agent of stem cells that makes them have a regenerative potential. We have now a way to increase its activity, and we created a non-cellular product with high therapeutic activity. This active agent is stable because it is not a living cell. It doesn't trigger the immune response, and additionally, it has a longer shelf life. So there is no doubt that our active agent is considerably more efficient than stem cells and has a great advantage over other advanced therapies that are out there in the market. So our product, Skin Healer, is a gel for topic administration that accelerates the healing of the wound by promoting vascularization and stimulating skin growth. What you can see here in the left is an example of wounds in animal models, diabetic animal model. So in the top wound, we applied the control saline solution, and in the bottom one, we applied our product, Skin Healer. It is clear from the picture that there is a big advantage on our treatment. We obtained 100% response of the animals. We achieved 80% volume reduction in 10 days and complete healing in 15 days, which is remarkable. Other advanced therapies don't have this huge efficacy. You can see here in the graph the 4 groups of advanced therapies that are in the market. Well, they all have limited healing probability and limited healing rate, so they are not so fast in healing, and they do not heal all the patients. There is one product that stands out from this picture, and is Autologel. Autologel is a blood-derived product, but is collected from the own patient. So it is an autologous product. It is associated with complex preparation because the physician needs to collect blood from the patient. And to recall, this is a disease blood, it's an age blood. It can be anemic. Patients are in bad conditions for a long time, and sometimes this product cannot be applied to these patients. So additionally, it has lower regenerative potential because, again, it's an aged blood, and it contains allergenics, animal components that can lead to immune reactions. Our product, Skin Healer, is better. We claim better efficiency. Our product is universally applicable. It is ready to apply. It has high regenerative potential because it is derived from the newborn blood of the umbilical cord, and it has no allergenic because it doesn't have animal components. The chronic wound treatment market worldwide is a $2.5 billion market. It is expected to increase until 2021 and reach $6.5 billion. We will address the market just focusing on advanced therapies. Our market will reach $3.2 billion in 2021. we will only serve to start the Europe and USA market. So it is $800 million and will reach $2.7 billion. We expect a compound annual growth of 16%. Our market growth is driven by the increased incidence of obesity, diabetes, and the aging population, as of course you all know. So why are we focusing in Europe and USA? Because of course they are the two largest markets, so the most attractive ones, and they have established use of advanced therapies. Our company, Nanoinspire, will manufacture our product. We will then use a distribution chain with international and national distributors, with whom we are already in contacts. We have already visited, for example, Medlog. And we will then distribute to our customers, which are hospitals, medical centers, and wound treatment centers. In our roadmap, so we have developed a good part of the proof of concept, and we had 200K euros for this part. Now we will finish, in 2015, we will finish the preclinical animal models, we'll finish the product development, and we will deal with all the patents. For this, we will need additional 1.5 million euros. In 2016, we will start the clinical trials, for which we will need 24 million euros, and will last until, hopefully, 2022. We will launch our product in 2023. So this is a projection that we had for the revenues and the cash flows. We based these projections in according to a 5% penetrance in the market in year 4, so 2028, and the break-even will be, we will get there by year 2, hopefully. Why are we the best team to take this project further? We are researchers with additional 27 years combined experience in research. We are localizing the only biotechnology park in Portugal. We have combined the experience of our MBA, Luisa, which has 12 years of experience in business development. And we have 2 mentors that coach us during the process. So we are already convinced because we are the team. I hope I have convinced you that we will make a difference. We have convinced other specialists in the field. So believe me, we are decided to change the way we treat chronic wounds forever. Thank you.